Hello, little friends. Are you ready to play a fun game with me? Let's find our toy friends and play peekaboo. Where did the teddy go? Can you see him? Look closely. Oh, he is behind the pillow. Peekaboo. Yay, you find him. Good job. Where is the bunny? Do you know where Bunny is hiding? Maybe behind the chair. Let's check. Oh, peekaboo! Yes, there's Bunny. You're so smart. Where is Panda hiding? Can you point to where Panda might be? Peekaboo! Wow, he's sitting on the floor. Shh! I think someone's hiding behind the toy box. Can you guess who it is? Let's check. Peekaboo! It's Giraffe. You guessed it. Thanks for helping us find all our toy friends. See you next time for more fun and games. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.